right, so here we are at Mid-Ohio Sports Car Course. Never heard of this track until this week. So I've put in a ton of practice. This is a very technical track, especially compared to last week where it was just a lot of drafting and maybe 3 turns that you had to hit right. This has a lot of technical stuff, especially the last turn is just my nemesis. I may lose it there. Who knows? We'll see once the race starts. But very cautiously apprehensive about this. I hope to learn something during this race. This is my first time ever here racing. I did qualify P4, so I'm outside second row. So there's that. All right, well, we're going to grid up, start the engines, see what happens.
The air temp is 78.
All right, here we go.
15 laps. Okay, now here we go.
Oh, goodness.
Let's go.
We're going. Why are you slowing down?
Sorry.
Sounds like we have some attrition in the back already.
Start's okay, we're still in this.
Car left. Clear left.
Never raced against cars here. In practice, I may have ran alongside one, maybe one time, about maybe 100 laps of practice. So this is just all new. I got loose there.
Oh, sorry, man. I thought they were talking about a different car. I had no idea you were there.
This guy's taking out 2 people? Ooh, I got a little breathing room behind me. Pushed to that corner, got a little loose. Y'all keep racing behind me. Just give us some breathing room up here. I just need to race the track and not worry about cars. I just want to finish this race for my first time here. Boy, I kicked out the back end there. Ooh, not a good progression. Got scared of the car there. All right, come on. Race the track, race the track.
The leader has just done a 137.75. The guy ahead has just done a 138.00. That lap was a 138.56.
Chris, come on.
you're behind me.
I was ahead of you on the outside and you ran out wide into me. Are you joking?
All right, come on, let me catch these guys up.
Last race too. I think you'll find on that track, you tried to reclaim the apex when the car was there.
Yellow flag, keep your wits about you, mate.
Why is there a yellow in front of the leaders? That was a little weird. Talk them a little. I really want to keep this guy behind me more than anything.
Okay, Nash. We're
I don't-
matching race pace. That was a
Don't need the pressure of someone on my rear.
The guy behind has just done a 137.59.
All right, that was a good turn. Well, somewhat. A little wide. Boy, I pushed bad through there. Oh, I got a little more breathing room behind me again somehow.
Ross, 137.10. Okay, Nash, the next car is Silvera.
Ooh, wow. Breathe, air, oxygen. Man. Oh, this track is so technical.
P4. We're matching race pace. The leader's just done a 136.93. Your last lap time was a 137.21. The guy in front is Campbell.
Come on, don't let the pack behind us catch us.
On your left. Hold your line. Still there. Clear left. Left side. Hold your line. Clear left.
Ah, missed a gear. Alright, I need draft.
On your
You're
left.
just slowing us both down.
Hold your line. Hold your line. Clear left.
V3.
He lost it. Oh, oh wow. I just need to race the track now, see if I can catch these guys up. That was not a bright idea for him to try to pass there. It slowed us way, 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 way down. And then he lost it, I guess trying to keep it off of me, most likely. Ooh, boy, I'm a little nervous.
The gap to Silveira ahead is increasing. It's now 2.4.
No X's either. Nice podium. First time ever here. Couldn't do anything
Nice one, Nash. Great drive. That's a podium.
with the guys in front of me and just got lucky with the guys behind me. But hey, sometimes it just takes a little bit of luck. And the podium's awesome. So we will pull off the road here and take a gander
Great racing.
at the accident. See what happened.
The racing up at the front, really good racing. Up until the end now, really good racing.
All right, there I am, the number 2 Nash Racing red, white, and blue car. Just gonna quickly skip through the incidents here. A little bit of bumpering. Oh, oh,
Johan, I was watching that all the way. That
wow.
was a great drive from like P8 to P4.
that was
Really good overtaking.
crazy.
Actually, P19 before. Started from the back.
That guy just was in the wrong place at the
Yeah,
wrong time.
great job.
Well, I had a great fun, but
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
a
whoa.
lot of mistakes.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
So,
Oh.
only, I was lucky there.
Yeah, I think Brent threw a spanner in the works for a lot of people.
The 9 was already kind of in that location, so I don't know if the 12 came down on him or what, but boy, the 12 was just along for the ride at that point. That was not fun. This guy's gonna spin himself. Yeah. Hit that grass and snapped. Kept it off the wall, and everyone else. Looks like no one else was involved. Car number 18, spin, spin, spin. I don't know if the 20 got a piece of that or not. The 18's rear fin got bent, so the 20 got. Oh yeah, the 20 got a little bit of that. Spin. Yeah, he just lost it. Went across the nose. Oh no, and that's the end of the day for the Benson Hedges 19 car, because you can see sparks flying out the back. So he's got suspension issues. He's probably gonna lose it. He should have went into the pits to try to get that repaired. But he's gonna try to nurse it until it falls apart. His wheel literally may fall off the car. All right, next. Still him. It may be him for a while. Yep, he bit it. Couldn't make this turn, I'm sure. He's trying. He had him locked up and just couldn't keep it off the wall. Tow time. He's got a lot of suspension damage for some reason. His car's just dragging on the ground. Well, the 7 was there. So the 12 thought that he was going to take that line, and that line didn't exist. This is behind me. You can see me in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Oh, that was a blinker. Well, they sure are chatty back there. A little bump in the back of the 5 car there. Blinker. That's the same blinker guy. Blinker guy. Blinker guy. Blinker guy. Blinking guy. Blinker guy. Oop. Oh, was that the blinker? Yeah. So the 13 was on the outside. I'm not sure if that wasn't a little bit of netcode, but they would have hit anyway. Not sure whose fault that was. Chalk that up to a racing incident. Whoa. Boy, lucky that didn't end a lot worse. Blinker. Where are you going? I think he forgot to turn. Oh, wow. Lucky. At the end of the race? I think it's the end of the race. Everybody's pulling over. And apparently he wasn't happy with him, or just wasn't paying attention, because that counts against you. The race is not officially finished. Well, let's pop in and take a look at the web results. I'm crazy happy with that finish. First time ever here. This Sean Ross guy was fast, and well, I lost the draft because of the guy that raced beside me. And so Pablo was able to keep up with Sean for a little while, but then I just couldn't. Yeah, Sean was fast. So, what does that do as far as standings? I did have 0 incidents, no off tracks, no contact. First time here. That's, again, amazing. I increased my I rating 61 points and my safety rating 0.15. Not bad. And that gained me 99 championship points. Nice. So let's see if what that does with the series standings. This is Sunday, so there's only today and tomorrow left of this racing, and maybe, a little early Tuesday morning. So a lot of people will have already been in and raced. I don't think this is posted yet. This is 108. I think I would probably be around the 60s, 70s. So I'll have to check this later. But still not bad in the top 8% in my division. Doing math off the top of my head there. And top 3.5% in the world for just coming back to this after taking an 8-month unplanned vacation. you watch my previous videos, you know what that's about. All right, well, hey, thanks for watching. Good finish. Maybe I'll get a couple more races in and can be a little more aggressive because I've got my good points racing, so I can take 3 other races and just kind of let my hair down here a little bit and see if I can get some better racing and maybe even improve. Who knows? But again, thanks for watching. Click that like. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.